This Independence Day, let's celebrate the spirit of Digital India, where innovation and technology are transforming our lives. Introducing Polo Elevators, where smart elevators meet a smart nation. With widespread use of smartphones, Polo Elevators brings you elevators that are just a touch away, redefining convenience. And as we strive for an energy-efficient ecosystem, Polo Elevators proudly presents MRL lifts, saving more than 50% energy, contributing to a greener tomorrow. We believe in fostering skill development, uplifting lives through vocational training. Polo Elevators, a Make in India brand, generates employment opportunities, empowering our workforce. Just like ISRO, reaching for the stars with successful space missions, Polo Elevators are soaring to new heights, installing elevators in iconic high-rise buildings. Fit India, Hit India, Polo Elevators CSR initiative, promoting a healthier and happier nation. Our elevators grace the iconic Nirmal Towers in CP, the majestic M2K Victoria Gardens, the luxurious Riceland Sky Mansion, and many more. As we celebrate the 76th Independence Day, join us in commemorating this special occasion with Polo Elevators. Book your elevator now at just Rs 76,000 and receive a 1-year extended warranty worth Rs 45,000. Absolutely free. Limited time offer. Ends on 30th August, midnight. Polo Elevators, lifting India in the smarter way.